Kids, don't try this at home. Today we're going to be testing out this explosive device. It's meant for airsoft, but still does pretty good damage. We're going to be putting it underneath this bucket and seeing if the bucket lifts up a little bit, which it might. I have my doubts, but it might work. Let's do this. To activate this device, there's a little tiny pin. I'm going to pull that. Now it's somewhat armed. We're going to put it underneath here. Okay, yeah, that worked. Well, I think that worked.